Постріл! Постріл! Гармата! Постріл!
It hits precisely. Once aim is taken, it is often that the target is hit straight away. We can pack and go. What I mean is that one shell is enough to hit the target and leave. Camouflage the howitzer. It is very precise. We always try to use the, how to describe it, more effectively. Not just firing blind. It is very precise, and it doesn't need many shells to destroy or hit targets. I consider myself very lucky to be assigned work with Bodana. It is a great howitzer. I am very happy I can sit in the gunner's seat. It is a great howitzer. It is very effective. I like the way it works. There are different shells to suit different tasks, and it is possible to target a big range of targets, be it infantry, hideouts, or military vehicles.